Hi guys, so this is Frankenstein Designs and I'm Kyle. In this video we'll be putting the new water pump on, and I'll show you how to do that, and I'll be doing a unboxing of a new powder coating machine. So okay guys, so I just got the water pump in the mail, and this is supposed to flow 20% more water than my stock one. The only thing I can see the difference is that this is steel fins, and there's only 5 of them. But as you look on here, there's 8 fins on this one, and this is billet, so kind of cool. And also got this in the mail is that the powder coater. So that would be fun. Start powder coating things. That would be in a future video, but yeah. So I'll need to take this pipe off. The new water pump didn't have it. So going to just put it on the vise here. Then take a pipe wrench and get it snug. This bad boy turning. This thing's tight on there. There you go. There's this our TV selling, so we'll just pop it up on this and wire brush this all. Okay, so get your gasket, put it on here, just like that. Make sure all the bolt holes line up, and for a gasket it's not that bad. On this one, it's even worse. Alright, so take this, grab your silicone. See if I could do this one-handed. Or I should say without bench. And just put a good amount on it. You don't want this to leak, really. It'd be bad. You would have to take all apart again. Okay. Take your gasket. Line up your holes. There you go. There you go. Sweet. Now take your bolts and pop them in like that. And let it sit for probably about 10 minutes. Then when you do this again, when you put the sealant on this first, then you put it on the block. But yep. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm going to put another dab of silicone on that. Then we'll put it on the block. Okay. Now got all that. Grab your bolts. There's one long one that goes right here. And these shorter ones go all around. There you go. Okay. Good. Let's get this one in. Okay, sweet. So now you torque all these down to 22 foot-pounds. For this, I'm probably going to go crisscross. Try and make it all even. Okay. Next one. Okay, next would be your water pump pulley. There's 4 half-inch bolts. I'm not doing tighten all this in, or at least the pulley, because I'll be doing something with the powder coater. Probably do this in powder coat stuff, just paint. And I'll show you the process, but okay, you got all those in. What I would do is take a long screwdriver like this and hold it like this, then take your ratchet and tighten those down while you're holding these so the pulley doesn't move on you like that. And that's the same way how I took the water pump pulley off of it. These get torqued down to 22 foot-pounds. But yeah. Alright, let's unbox this powder coat box machine thing. So probably in a week or so, I'll get the powder for this. So look forward to that video. I'll be doing a lot of different things with this. Alright, so instructions. Cool. I got, oh man, okay, I got this filter, water separator filter. If I could get these out. And I got 2 bottles of this. Okay. And that. Okay, and I'm not sure what these are, but it looks like a fuse and something else and O-rings. Okay. So here's the gun, and here's the box thingy. There. Alright. And this. Okay. So here's the gun. Here's the powder coating. Looks pretty cool. I believe this here is your negative switch. Sometimes some of the powder coating machines you would have like a little handheld button, but this does the same. This here is your ground, so you put it on the part that you're doing powder coat. Seems pretty legit here. So, yep. And your outlet. Record. But, yeah. Okay. So, we got the water pump on. Next thing will be, busting out that powder coating machine and powder coating all the bolts on the engine that are showing. Then we'll be off to the manifold. It's coming along. I'll probably do something different with these frill lines. Don't really like how far they come out. So I got a solution for that, but stay tuned and subscribe. Alright, thanks guys.